You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk control arms used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to make changes to the control arms on your vehicle, you must lift the front of the car and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Then, using a socket wrench and a 16mm socket, loosen the ball joint retaining nut. Hold the screw with a 17mm offset wrench. Then, remove the screw. You can use a drift punch to help you remove it. Use a crowbar to remove the ball joint from the control arm of the stub axle. Using a ratchet and a Torx C55 socket, lock the front retaining screw of the control arms. Then, using a ratchet, a 24mm socket or a matching 12-point socket, unscrew the nut. Then, remove the screw. Repeat this step on the rear retaining screw. You can now remove the control arms by prying it off with a large screwdriver or crowbar.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Start by brushing, then greasing the location of the control arm to facilitate the installation. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new control arm. Put the control arm in the holding and start to unscrew the fastenings on the cradle. You can use a screwdriver to help line up and screw it in more easily. Finalize the tightening of the screws with a Torx wrench. Replace the metal plate. Replace the ball joint in the pivot. you can use a hammer to help you. Then screw it back on. Finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. During this operation, you will work on the steering system of your vehicle. Checks on tyre alignment, when carried out by a professional, will guarantee that your steering system has been perfectly aligned and is in good working order. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.